One of the things about Facebook groups is that the most current recently posted topic goes to the top of the page, and it's not always easy to go straight to the content you want to see. But that's been changed by Facebook introducing the Add Topics feature. I'll show you how that works now within your group, both with the classic interface and also with the brand new 2020 version. Here we go. The first thing to note is that topics are not always universally available to each new group on Facebook. It's a strange thing, but I've seen users complain that they can't get the feature, or even stranger, they have the Add Topics feature and then it disappears for a period of time and then it's restored. So this is assuming that you have the Add Topics feature and you'd have something like this. So you can see the popular topics in posts, which ones have had the most are displayed. So 9 different ones displayed on screen there, and you can click Manage and you can go into search for particular topics or actually go through the ones you wanted to see. So if I was to go through to any one of these categories, so for example, see all the posts about Facebook, click on Facebook, and I'll see a full list, I think in the order in which they're posted to the most recent first of that particular topic. So you can go to LinkedIn the same way and see a completely different set of results just for my particular interest. So if we go through previous discussions, I can see here, for example, this one's been given the topic Your Questions. You can edit whatever topic is selected. If I go to this one, for example, I'll say Edit Post Topic. I can change that to Welcome. And I think you can only assign one topic to each post at the moment, but that seems to vary over time, so watch this space. In terms of the 2020 version of Facebook, if you go to the drop down here, and I'll just switch it to the new Facebook view if you like. You can't instantly see the topics displayed there, but if you scroll down a bit you can. And also over here on the left hand side you could also go to Post Topics. And again, a similar search tool there. Under the Post Topics you can actually select to display by newest first if you wanted to, or popularity, which is the view you saw before, even alphabetical. Now, if for some reason topics are suddenly unavailable, it may be worth checking, especially if you've already had them running previously, to go back to your settings, and this is under Edit Group Settings, and there's an option, a little checkbox that says Post Topics. So if that's disabled, then just click on it and re-enable it. And finally, be aware that there are other ways to organise your content as well. As units where you can put them into learning units grouped together, announcements where you can have certain key posts that are always visible at the top of the page rather than just the latest discussion items being there. And so here are some examples of typical announcements on the page. And yes, just finally, just to look at the way you can view it is the same on the classic interface as well. So really, despite the change of updated Facebook for some users, the functionality of Add Topics remains the same in 2020. It's a great thing if you can be able to add at least one topic per post, but if not, it may be possible to re-enable it at some stage anyway. And there are other features like the units and announcements that can enable you to do a similar kind of thing. So hopefully that's been helpful. I'm Paul from PR Wilson Media, your social media personal trainer. Cheers.